up, YouTube? That's 2014 Honda Accord Hybrid. I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs today. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. I'm going to grab a tin here. Take all four of these coil bolts out. Everything's a tin that guy. You gotta unplug them. Sometimes you don't have to. All right. Now these are going to be a 14 millimeter head. What am I doing? I'm getting ahead of myself, sorry. Take them out first. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Don't go falling. I know my Spanish is terrible. Always start them a couple threads. I'm going to run them down gently with my gun. Alright, now I'm going to just do a final snug on them. A little quarter turn there. Alright, probably the easiest tune-up in the world. Plug them in. Alright, I don't put the cover back on so I know everything's kosher and it's running good. Now, it's a hybrid, so you're not going to hear it. The engine should kick on in a minute here with the AC on. So. Put it in gear. Close the door. There it goes. Feels smooth to me, y'all. I'm in gear, so that's why you're seeing the speed armor go. Alright, well, we're done. I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please subscribe, check a like. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.